Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on to 4.2.4 from the 2017 Maths Lit Paper 1, and this question deals with measurements and calculating how many cans can fit into a regular box. So, question 4.2.4, and it's number A. So they've given us that there is a cylindrical can that needs to be packed into a large regular box, and it shows us the diagram, and they've given us that the height is 16,5, and this is the can, and then the height of the box is 35 centimeters. So A is determine the number of layers of cans that can be placed upright position in the box. So basically, how many cans can we stack in this box? So to calculate that, we need to take that the number of layers is going to equal, so it's 35 centimeters, okay, and how many can fit into that 35? So we need to divide it by one can, which is 16,5 centimeters. So this is going, so in your calculator you get that it's 2,12, but obviously you can't have 2,12 cans, so we need to round this number off to, well, round it down, so it's going to be 2. So that's the number of layers that you will calculate. Moving on to B. It says, hence determine the maximum number of cans that can be packed in one box. So we'll need to calculate how many, so we know it can have 2 layers, but how many cans can be in each layer? So we first need to calculate the number packed lengthwise. So that would be, we now need to, so we're packing it lengthwise along this 56. So we'll see that they'll be packed like that, and it's going to be 56 centimeters. But we still need to use the diameter now to find out how many of these can be packed lengthwise. So packed lengthwise will be similar calculation, so it's at 56 centimeters divided by 12.6 centimeters, which equals 4,44, which is approximately 4. So that's 4 going lengthwise. And then the same thing will need to be now for the number widthwise. So the number you can pack widthwise, which is along there, pack width is going to be now 41 centimeters. So we know that the width is 41 centimeters, they're given us here, divided by the diameter, so that's how many we can fit widthwise, which equals approximately 3,253, and we need to round that down to 3. So that means we can have 2 layers from the previous question, and it's going to be 4 by 3. So we're going to stack 4 lengthwise, 3 widthwise. So therefore your max number of cans will equal, so 4 lengthwise by 3 widthwise by 2 layers, and that's going to equal 24 cans, and that's the final answer. Yeah, because these cans will be obviously standing upright in 2 layers, just to give a more visualization. So they'll be on top of each other, but the diameter widthwise is the same lengthwise, and so we can fit 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what we calculated lengthwise, and 1, 2, 3 widthwise. So before I go, I'd just like to give a special thank you to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Be sure to check them out in the description below. Remember to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.